Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I thought I would share a little bit of party prep. We are hosting a birthday party for my son, so I thought it would be fun to share some of the prep that goes into our home for an event like that. I want to extend a huge thank you to Cricut for sponsoring today's video. Later on, I'll be sharing a few birthday projects I was able to make with Cricut. Make sure you stick around, it's going to be a fun video. Okay, so I am going to be starting by sharing some of my favorite products that I like to use to prep my home. Of course, we like to do a really deep cleaning on everything. One of my favorite things to use in the kitchen is this daily granite cleaner. I love the way it smells and it makes everything so sparkly and reflective. You can see it almost takes like the film off of the granite and just makes it feel super smooth. This is by Method and it is one of my favorite products to use on granite. One of my other go-tos is by Wyman, I'm not sure how to say it, Wyman maybe, stainless steel cleaner and polish. I use this on my refrigerator, my stove, or not my stove, but my oven, and then our dishwasher because we have the stainless and our appliances are always filled with fingerprints and water, and I find that this works really well to make it sparkly clean and it gets rid of all of those fingerprints really fast. And I will usually do the deep cleaning before a party, maybe like a day or possibly two, but with my boys that's cutting it a little close. I would say like the day before is prime time for cleaning before a party. What is always easiest is to just stay up really late at night. The night before the party, my family and I, we call it pulling a Magda, if you know what I mean, and just doing a huge deep cleaning while everybody's asleep. It's always nice to do it like that too. This is my favorite type of glass cleaner. It is kind of like a foamy type glass cleaner, and I find that this works the best. It takes all of the streaks off. It doesn't leave anything behind. Also, another tip, if you want a really clean window, use newspaper. It doesn't leave any lint on your windows and really gets watermarks off. Newspaper is a really good material to use to wipe down windows instead of a cloth, but I was fresh out of newspaper, so cloth works good too. I wanted to share some really fun projects that I was able to make with Cricut. Of course, with any 5-year-old birthday party, you need goodie bags, so I wanted to come up with something really cute. I found these black canvas zip-up bags on Amazon, so I just measured what size I want my image on, and I went on to Cricut Design Space and found the cutest astronaut image. I'm fixing that size to a 5x5 inch image, and then I'm using Cricut's holographic iron-on. This stuff is so cute. Once I'm ready to start cutting my design, I'm going to place that holographic sheet right on my cutting mat, shiny side down, and then once that is cut, we are going to remove all of the excess pieces that we don't want. So this is what the image looks like. You can see that really cool holographic look, but I just need to go through and weed out all of those little pieces that I want out of there. I'm using the Cricut weeding tool, and I will link all of these tools below if you guys are interested. Once I'm ready to put that image on the bag, I'm going to center it and then put a thin piece of little transfer paper. You can also use parchment paper. I'm using my Cricut Easy Press 3 to iron this on. And what's nice is that it has Bluetooth capability, so I can get the heat settings and the timer and everything set in there right from my phone. So once it's all done cooling off, I'm going to peel that backing off and reveal the image, and it looks so cute and has that holographic kind of space theme, that really cute design that I was going for, and I think the kids are really going to love these. I love them for like a little pencil pouch or a little toy pouch. I'm also gonna put some little goodies in there for the kids to take home from the party. So some candy, some little sticker sheets, these really cute straws, and a keychain, all space theme, of course. So if you guys are interested in any of this stuff, most of it's from Amazon, I will link it below. And what is any party without a really cute and simple little birthday banner? So this is a really quick little DIY that I did with Cricut. I spelled out Happy Birthday Phoenix in a really fun font. I just copy and paste the letters individually, so it makes it really easy. I'm going to click Make It, and I'm putting this on medium cardstock, and I'm setting the pressure to a little bit more so that it cuts all the way through. Once I have my cardstock prepped on the mat, I'm going to hit the insert button and watch it do its thing. It always amazes me every time. I could sit and watch this every time. But what I love about these projects is that there is no limit to any age. Birthday banners and holiday decorations for any age, a spouse or a coworker or a friend. There are endless possibilities with so many projects like this. So I'm using my Cricut Maker 3 here. This is their newest cutting machine, and I love all of the capabilities it has, and even using the smart materials makes it really easy to use without having to use a mat a lot of times. So I am just popping out these letters. I'm just bending them back and forth, and then it kind of breaks loose from that cardstock. And what I'm gonna do is just put them all on a string and put them right outside on the patio. So simple, fun, and affordable. My favorite things. I love catering the food because it's always so helpful and I don't have to spend all my time in the kitchen. So I needed labels. So I'm just going to cut out some really quick labels using my Maker 3, some really fun fonts in Cricut Design Space, cut them out on a mat, and I'm going to rearrange them so that it allows space for me to kind of bend them back and forth. I'll show you in a second on the cardstock. So once I get all of my words, I'm just going to arrange them how I want them to be cut out on the mat. So my plan for these are to get them cut out, and then I'm going to put a kind of gold glittery little backing right in the middle so that it kind of pops out almost like a 3D type effect label. Just a really fun and different idea. Also, if you are interested in any of these projects that I'm making, I will leave the links below for these exact projects so you can make your own Cricut projects as well. There are a ton of different ideas on Cricut Design Space, so if you can't think of anything, you can always go and check out other projects and get filled with different ideas. So I'm just going to use my Cricut weeding tool and take out all of these little letters. I'm saving the centers, and then I'm just going to hot glue the little centers back on the label. And I'm using my Cricut paper cutter to get a really straight, clean line and cut these out. And then I'm just going to fold them right in half for kind of a little foldable label. You can see how they kind of have that 3D effect in there, where I will put the gold backing right in the center, and I just hot glued it right on the back. And yeah, I thought it was really cute, kind of flashy and fun. And now we know what is in our catering chafers. Be sure to visit Cricut.com to check out all of the amazing cutting machines, the Easy Press 3, and more. So I still have a few of my winter pillows left from Christmas. This one is a newer one that I got from Target, and then an Amazon little boucle pillow. And then I also have my green velvet pillows still lingering around from Christmas. They're so soft. I really love them so much still. I am constantly fluffing the pillows on our couch pretty much daily or nightly before I go to bed. I always like to arrange the pillows before I go to bed so I don't have to walk out to a messy couch. But yeah, and then I always love lighting a candle in the entry for party guests. It just makes the room feel a little bit more inviting, and it smells really good. This is our amber and cedar wood from our candle line. This one is really good, and I hope to have it restocked in the larger size very soon. I also have my Roomba running almost daily. This thing is such a lifesaver. We have the J7 Roomba and I love it. It goes on a schedule. She's on a morning schedule, so when I take the kids to school, she goes on, and then she's cleaning when I get home, which is so nice. I don't know if I have shown our newest chairs. These are from Target from the Hearth and Hand collection. They're the shaker dining chairs, and I think they're really cute. We wanted something a little bit different, something a little bit more low profile to not kind of divide our room so much. So I thought that these were perfect. I love the black with our natural wood table, and yeah, I think they're really cute. Let me know what you guys think. I will link them below if you're interested. I also attempted a little balloon arch. I swore that I would never do one again after my other son's birthday, and it actually turned out really cute. I am super sensitive to loud noise, so balloons popping really bothers me, but it wasn't bad at all. And yeah, I got it done in about less than 2 hours. So that was actually really good, and only a few balloons popped, so it wasn't too bad. Anything for my kids. So this balloon arch set came with all the balloons for the arch. I think it was less than 20 bucks. And then I bought the little balloon blower upper separately, but it is such a good investment. And the balloon arch is still up. It hasn't been taken down yet. We're just enjoying all the balloons until they eventually fall down or pop. But this little space theme was so cute, and I love that it comes with all the colors you need. I also found all of these little space guys on Amazon and took them to our local baker, and they made the cutest cake. So now it was just time to enjoy the party. So we like to set up the patio and get the fire pit going. It was a little chilly, but it was nice. It was a beautiful day. It was a really fun party, super eventful. And yeah, we just love our little Phoenix so much, and we're so happy that we get to celebrate him turning 5. So I hope that this video helped you guys in any way. Let me know in the comments below some of your best party tips and tricks. And with that, we will catch you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching.